Page 32, Lesson 9, ninth lesson. What time is it? What time do you have? What time you got? Note, there are 3 ways to say the time. Study them carefully. 1. O'clock is when it is on the hour exactly. 2. Hour first, minutes last. 3. Minutes first, hour last. Here are some examples. It's 3 o'clock. It's 3:08, or it's 8 after past 3. It's 10:40, or it's 20 to 11. It's 2:15, or it's quarter after past 2. It's 7:30, or it's half past 7, or it's 30 minutes after 7. Now write the times given in 2 forms when possible. Page 33, Days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Memorize these verbs. Wake up, woke up, get up, got up, eat, ate, dress, dressed, shower, showered, go, went, dry, dried, visit, visited, comb, combed, travel, traveled, brush, brushed, there is, are, there was, were, exercise, exercised, work, worked, arrive, arrived, sleep, slept. Page 34, a quick explanation of prepositions with time. About, around, to, by, at, from, during, in, the morning, afternoon, evening, time period, exact date, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, on Friday, on Saturday, on Sunday. Subject and action. Since, a specific time. Subject and action. For, a period of time. Study these examples carefully. The Smith family morning routine. Mr. Smith wakes up at 5:30. He gets up at 5:40. He exercises for 30 minutes. He takes a shower at 6:15. He eats breakfast at 6:40. He goes to work at 7 a.m. He arrives at work before 8 o'clock. He starts work at 8 a.m. He works from Monday to Friday. Mrs. Smith wakes up at 6:15. She makes breakfast at 6:30. She eats breakfast with her husband at 6:40. She takes a shower at 7 a.m. She goes to work on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 8 a.m. They both finish work at 5 p.m. They have dinner around 7 p.m. They go to bed around 10 p.m. What time does Mr. Smith take a shower? When do Mr. and Mrs. Smith go to bed? What time does Mr. Smith exercise? When does Mrs. Smith take a shower? What time do they eat dinner? Page 35. Now make a sentence of your own routine. Use as many prepositions as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When does your dad wake up? What time do you brush your teeth? What time does your mother brush her hair? What time does your dad leave for work? What time does your mom cook dinner? What time do you have lunch? What days do you go to school or work? What day do you go to church? What day do you usually go to the supermarket? What month do you go on vacation? What is your favorite day of the week? What is your favorite month of the year? Page 36. A. When were you born? B. I was born in December. A. What day were you born? B. I was born on the 12th. A. What time were you born? B. I was born at 3:45 in the afternoon. When were you born? What day were you born? What time were you born? What is your birth date? Where were you born? Now some questions that you would ask your teacher or classmates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now ask your teacher or classmates your questions and write their answers below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now ask another classmate and write their answers below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.